Karur Stampede case, where we are learning that the Supreme Court is all set to pass its verdict on Monday on a batch of petitions for CBI inquiry. This is the big decision, and in fact, how the Apex Court could pass its verdict on Monday in the Karur Stampede case. Anisha Mathur joining us on the broadcast with further details, Anisha, of Monday being the day 13th of October, when we'll have clarity on whether there will be a CBI investigation, given the fact that there have been several questions on how fair the probe will be. First, a one-man committee that was constituted by the DMK, and of course, we've been seeing what happened after that.
Well, yes, Suresh, if you remember, just on Friday, we had the detailed hearing by the Supreme Court of India, where the TVK, the victim families, as well as the BJP, on multiple petitions had come to the Supreme Court, raising questions about the Madras High Court decision to reject the pleas for CBI inquiry. Now, it is going to be a very interesting verdict, Suresh, because also if you see what the arguments that had come before the Supreme Court from the TVK, from the BJP, even from the side of the victim families, were that the police was not doing its job. That, in fact, one of the arguments that the victims had made was that the government is saying that we had put more than 600 police personnel in that area for crowd control, but the victims saying there was no police when this kind of stampede had happened. The TVK saying, why are we being blamed when we were not when we were given the spot by the administration? On this other side, the Tamil Nadu administration clearly and squarely blaming actor Vijay and the TVK, saying that the estimate that had been given to the administration was of much fewer numbers than actually the people who showed up, and they were blaming with the kind of finger pointing we've seen from both sides. And the question before the court really, that if it is the police who are in the dock for mismanagement, then can the SIT manned by police officials really be the correct body to investigate what happened? Secondly, the question that was raised was about the two benches of the Madras High Court. Remember, the Chennai bench as well as the Madurai bench have passed orders on this stampede issue, and the Supreme Court questioning how is it that two separate benches of the same High Court are hearing this matter simultaneously.
Right, Anisha, I want to thank you for getting us the latest. Of course, Monday is when we'll have clarity on this matter.